Okay. Am I on the first? Oh, it's on siding. Coil thing there. Another one. Quality coil shield. Starting off with coil shields. I'm actually surprised. Usually we never have this. Have I caught any manifest that have a coil start like that? They almost never start with coils. What is that one? Conrail. Standard Conrail too. Okay. Good stuff, good stuff. Reading in Northern. Another Reading in Northern, the RBMN. Reading, Blue Mountain, and Northern. KCS boxcar. 2 of them in a row. One's super weathered. Okay, I love this train already. Now, since it's a solo lead, it's going to have DPUs. Probably only one, but you'll still have something in the middle. On rare occasions, you'll just have something on the back. Soltran. Someone saying that right? Soltran. And these are either, I believe, concrete or sand hoppers, one of the two. I think they can carry some other stuff as well, but usually they're for either sand or concrete. They are blowing air right now, though. You don't see too many of those DJJs anymore. I used to see them all the time. These are 1987s. Please don't stop on this crossing. Please don't do that. Is that an MOW ballast there? MOW ballast car. Yeah, it's on the siding. So it doesn't stop here on this part of the siding. And that's MW. 993-800. Reading and Northern. Oh, nice. Norfolk and Western. There's the DPU. It's a rear DPU. Reading and Northern. Southern. And then Reading and Northern, and then we have a Reading and Northern to end it with the 6M on the back.